Hey folks, just want to share 2 pointers today on what's going on in the market. Number one, I want to share what's happening specifically with properties. So this house behind me in San Carlos, 3387 Melendi, just sold for 2.475. It was on the market at 2.2. So what's that, about 12.5% over the asking price. That's kind of the pattern we're getting into now, back into that kind of competitive market. What we're seeing is a run to get into real estate, get out of the stock market, get back into real estate, especially, and this goes to point number two, super low interest rates right now. Historically, this may shock you, but at one time interest rates were as high as just over 18%. Yes, you did not hear me wrong, 18%. That was in 1981. The cheapest rates have ever been was in 2012 when rates were 3.31%, but guess what? Today I've seen quotes of rates at 3.25% and some even below that. So we are arguably at historically low interest rates right now. So if you are a buyer, fantastic time to get in the market, and also a great chance if you've gotten your pre-approval, get it done again. You may be surprised with what your buying power changes to. As a seller, as I mentioned, the market is hot and there are a ton of people in the market right now. In fact, the word of mouth is the most open house visitors people have ever seen in the market was this past weekend. So I think that trend is going to continue. Any questions, let me know. I'd love to talk to you about your strategies and goals going forward, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.